Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking one concrete task, dataset exploration or a competition. Fork an existing notebook so you inherit working code. This is faster than starting blank. Install the Kaggle API and place your API token in /. Kaggle, this lets you download datasets and submit securely. Once done, load the dataset into a notebook, inspect columns, and run a quick head. To confirm types, make sure to set a clear objective now so later decisions stay focused. You now construct a repeatable pipeline. Clean data, transform features, and define a baseline model. This gives a reference performance. Use cross-validation to estimate generalization and log metrics in a table so you can compare runs. Once stable, try more advanced models or ensembling. Use GPU kernels for heavy training. Make sure to save weights and artifacts and tag notebook versions so results are reproducible. Transition from exploration to disciplined experiments to avoid overfitting and wasted time. You finalize by generating the submission file in the required format and running a quick sanity check on sample rows. Submit using the Kaggle CLI or from the notebook interface and immediately record the score and any warnings. If results are worse than expected, inspect logs, verify per processing order, and compare your predictions on a holdout sample. Make sure to check for data leakage and feature drift. If something breaks, reproduce the failing step locally to isolate the issue and fix it before resubmitting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.